Good morning friends, welcome to the vlog and welcome to Wednesday morning. I hope you're all good. Are you having a good week? I hope you are. It's 6:10 Wednesday morning and as you can see I'm dressed for a bit of cycling. I'm heading into the office today, so I'm commuting on my bike, which is absolutely awesome. It's been dry for the last 2 days, so I've got my new wheels on, the mud guards are off. We're going to do this, should be good. Monday I was up in Sheffield, and then yesterday I was at 2 hospitals down in Kent, so I'm going to be in the office all day today. I've got some American colleagues coming over. They flew in yesterday, so I thought what an ideal opportunity to get on the bike and commute into the office. So let's do this. I've had my porridge, I'm ready to go. I'm just going to grab a banana to put in my rucksack. Right, let's get out there. Wow guys, what a beautiful sunrise. Absolutely stunning. I am freezing though, I have to admit. When I say I'm freezing, it's only the tips of my fingers that are cold. My legs and body are lovely and toasty. I've got my arm warmers on under my Castelli Perfetto merino wool base layer, DHB from Wiggle, and I've got my Mars Flandria jersey on, so that's all good. And I know I mentioned this on Saturday, but these Campagnola wheels, they just roll and roll and roll. They are so awesome guys, I love them. Hey, hello guys, so good to see you again. You joined me on my return commute home. It's about 4:20, so I left the office about 10 minutes ago and I've already encountered a massive headwind, which is annoying, and I've had to come home sort of through the muddy laneway. Oh, hang on. Oh, blimey. That was kind of like a cattle grid, but not a cattle grid, stretched across the road, just concrete kind of blocks to slow cars down. Because this lane I'm going up now, it's like a dead end lane, but in the middle of the lane you can get cars, you can get bikes through. So it's a very narrow lane, and at the top of it, it gets bloody muddy when we've had a lot of rain. So the way I came this morning to work is a lot busier at this time of day, with cars racing through the lane, so I didn't want to go that way, and one of the lanes is closed, so I've had to come this way to avoid A, fast traffic, and B, a road closure. I'm just going to put you in my pocket because I'm coming up to a climb. Okay, so as you saw back there, I opted for carrying the bike over all that horrible mud. And I think I made the right decision. The only problem now is my bloody cleats are clogged up with soft mud, which I've tried to get out with my fingers and sticks, and I'm trying to make my way home, so I keep stopping and I can't clip in properly, which is a right bugger. So I'm gonna have to give my cleats a really good going over when I get in, and a good clean. Oh man, such a pain. But hey, it's so lovely to be riding my bike back home from work. It's been a really good day. Met up with my American colleagues this morning who flew in yesterday. Sorted them out. I've got to take them out for dinner tomorrow night, which should be good. So I hope you've all had a good day, whatever you've been up to. I hope it's been what I thought was a perfect stick to clean the mud out from my cleats. So I did that, but it's made no difference. So I'm just gonna have to wait till I get home and pedal gingerly, not putting down any effort at all, which is a shame, because with these wheels on I feel like I could fly. But you know what I mean, I could be going so much faster than this, but hey ho. Okay you legends, I will end the vlog here. I'm nearly home, just about another mile left. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely Wednesday evening and have a fantastic Thursday. And I will see you in a couple of days with another vlog, and really looking forward to meeting those of you that can make it on Sunday. We're just trying to sort out a well, finalise the route. I know Tony of the crew is being an utter legend and putting the finishing touches to that for me tonight, hopefully. So once the route is finalised, I'll put the GPX file up on the FCC Strava board, and then you guys that want to download it can download it for Sunday. So I hope that's okay. Look after yourselves, and more importantly, stay safe out there. I'm heading home to clean these cleats and give these pedals a darn good wiping. But at least my bike's nice and clean, the frame and the cassette, it's all looking good, and the wheels. But anyway, that's enough of my rambling. I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye for now.